Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn About section writing with Jasper, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page. Scroll down to the About section. Click the pencil icon to edit your About section. Open a new tab in your browser. Go to the Jasper website. Log in to your Jasper account. Once logged in, select the template for About Me or LinkedIn Bio. Fill in the required fields with information about your professional. Choose the tone that best reflects your personality. Click the Generate button. Review the content Jasper has created for you. Make any necessary edits to align with your voice. Once satisfied, copy the generated text. Return to your LinkedIn profile. Paste the text into the About section. Adjust the formatting if needed. Finally, click the Save button to update your profile. You have now successfully installed your LinkedIn About section using Jasper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.